Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of guitar amplifiers with a detailed review of the Fender Frontman 10G electric guitar amplifier. We found this product online, and if you're interested, you can check out the link in the description below for the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what the Fender Frontman 10G is all about. This is a compact, 10-watt practice amp that offers a fantastic combination of portability and sound quality. Measuring at just 7.5 inches high, 11.5 inches wide, and 13.7 inches deep, and weighing only 11.7 pounds, it's easy to see why this amp is a favorite among beginners and seasoned players alike. One of the standout features of the Frontman 10G is its 6-inch Fender Special Design speaker. This little powerhouse delivers surprisingly rich tones, making it versatile enough to cover a wide range of musical genres, from blues to rock to heavy metal. Whether you're strumming your first chords or shredding a solo, this amp can handle it all. Speaking of versatility, the Frontman 10G is loaded with controls to help you shape your sound. It includes a gain control, which allows you to adjust the amount of distortion, perfect for those who want to explore overdrive tones. There's also a dedicated overdrive select switch, which gives you instant access to that gritty sound many guitarists crave. Alongside this, you have your standard volume, treble, and bass controls, allowing you to fine-tune your audio output to suit your taste. Another fantastic feature of the Frontman 10G is its closed-back design. This design enhances the bass response, providing a fuller sound that you wouldn't typically expect from a practice amplifier. Whether you're playing at home or jamming with friends, you'll appreciate the depth this amp brings to your playing. So, who is this amplifier suitable for? The Fender Frontman 10G is ideal for beginners looking to get started with electric guitar. Its user-friendly interface and range of tones make it easy to experiment and learn. However, it's also a great option for more experienced players who need a reliable practice amp that doesn't take up much space. Plus, its lightweight design makes it a breeze to transport, so musicians on the go can easily take it to rehearsals or gigs. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. The Frontman 10G is perfect for home practice. Its headphone jack allows you to plug in and play without disturbing anyone around you, which is a huge plus for late-night practice sessions or when you need to keep the volume down. The AUX input is also a great feature, letting you connect your phone or other devices, so you can jam along with your favorite tracks or backing tracks. Additionally, if you're a teacher or a student, this amp can serve as an excellent tool for lessons. Its straightforward controls make it easy to demonstrate techniques or effects, and the quality sound will help you hear the nuances in your playing. With a 2-year limited warranty, Fender stands behind the quality of this amplifier, assuring you that it's built to last. They designed their products with musicians in mind, ensuring that you'll have a reliable companion for your musical journey. In conclusion, the Fender Frontman 10G electric guitar amplifier is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to enhance their guitar playing experience. It offers a solid range of features, portability, and sound quality that make it a standout in the practice amp market. Thanks for watching.